Hey guys, we finally found Justin, the 5-year-old boy who started collecting trash during an event in their town in South Cotabato, Philippines. And thanks to the Homies for Life, we were able to reach out and give him a TGN shirt as a token for stepping up for our planet and being a great example to the people in his community. Good job, Justin. Keep it up. Okay? We can do it. We're not alone. One love for our planet, one love for our home. Peace.
T-shirt para kay Justin din. Isa siya, mabuting bata. Justin! Good, pakakuan, mas makadalamit mga sponsor sa sinuahang. Okay, try natin ito sa tawag, meat bread. Meat bread.
Sulta to kuya.
Sulta. Try. Picture din kay Justin.
Salamat po sa The Good Juice Planet. Bye-bye!
Yeah, thank you so much.